Hey racers, here's a look at the RZR Pro R Factory. So for the suspension on the vehicle, there's a couple different options. Both of them are FOX live valve shocks. The option that comes on the car from the factory is based on our production Pro R shock. However, the internals are the same valving that we use on the factory race team. If you want an upgraded version, we do offer another version of the shocks that come with a higher strength material shaft along with a billet lower fork on the front. And then on the rear shocks, we add an external cooler to help keep the shocks cooler. So on both the stock and the upgraded version, the actual shock tune that's on the car is straight to you, just like it is on our factory cars. The cool part is we are always learning. So we will pass along any learnings that we get after it's been validated on the factory team cars. We will pass that same information to you, so you don't have to spend your time out in the desert just guessing as far as your shock setup goes.